Okay, hello everybody. This is a second developer diaries session, and I have been working like about 3 hours, a little bit less, today on Anbible, and I have been working mainly maintenance things, meaning maintenance in this case means that I have been upgrading some dependencies, library dependencies that need to be upgraded time to time. For example, now I had this Android Studio had been upgraded, and it required that I am upgrading also Cradle and Android Cradle plugin, which is needed for me to continue developing. So for this purpose I was working quite long time. I will show you quickly what I was doing. First of all, this upgrade was not trivial, as normally it is quite often very easy and it can be done like with 15 minutes or half an hour. But this time I had problems. I had problems that I needed to resolve, and let's look at what kind of commits I made. I made today these 3 commits into the repository, and let's go them one by one. First of all, this is what Android Studio wanted me to do. It wanted me to upgrade from 8.3 to 8.4 and Cradle from 8.4 to 8.6, and what was following, I was needing to make many changes. First of all, I ran into issues with Room, which is our backend for database, and it was not compiling. It was producing a lot of errors that suggested changes in Procward configuration file. But I found out after investigating this for a while that it was not because of Procward or something, because I think the final solution was that I was moving my, I had this kind of configuration that I had split application to 2 modules, app and DB, and DB was containing all the database stuff, and the reason in the past was that it was much faster to build Anbible. Build time was much faster, so I now reverted that change because it is not anymore needed. They have been improving Room and other libraries so that it is not anymore needed to do that. So I was reverting that, so I was moving everything back to app from DB, meaning that all DB stuff is again under app. So you see here are all the files that I moved from DB, and then I need to do some, like I was also making some upgrades to versions. Here you see that I removed this DB also. Let's see, field Cradle. Oh, this is the root one. So I was upgrading some versions like this, and then also upgraded some more versions here. So these are the standard things that you need to do time to time, so that the application is well maintained, and libraries are also like the latest versions. It is also increasing security, etc. So this is the most time consuming thing that I did today. Um, then, last but not least, I was also going through all JS side dependencies and upgraded everything that could be upgraded. So, I'm just showing that even though I didn't really resolve any bugs today, I didn't also make any new features, I managed to spend uh, about 3 hours for developing, just to maintain the application, just to keep it up to date and keep it possible to make development for Unbible. So that kind of stuff need to be done, and it is just to let you know that something is happening even though nothing sometimes seem to be happening. So thanks for watching. As always, you can support Unbible by clicking the link in the description, and until next time, bye bye.